Have you ever wondered what happens the moment you submit a prompt to an AI language model? It's far more complex than just reading. We're going to dive into the core process of how AI interprets human language. AI doesn't actually read your sentence the way you do. Instead, it breaks it apart first, piece by piece. Let's use this simple request as our example. I want a spicy pasta with mushrooms and no dairy. To understand this process, let's think of AI as a master chef receiving a complex order. The kitchen environment represents the AI model, and the food order is the prompt you send. Just like the chef takes the order, the AI receives your request and prepares to process it. The first step for the AI, or the chef, is to understand the core components of the request. The sentence immediately breaks into individual words, rising like floating ingredients, ready to be prepared. This is where the AI starts splitting the entire input into much smaller, manageable pieces. This crucial process is called tokenization, essentially the chef's chopping board. Each word is turned into a labeled block, or token, like chopped ingredients. I want spicy, pasta, mushrooms, no, dairy. These tokens are the fundamental units AI uses to break down language and derive meaning from your request. But what happens if the word is complex, or perhaps misspelt? If we zoom in on a token like mushrooms, we might see that it breaks down into even smaller subword units. That's right, sometimes one word equals multiple tokens. This allows the AI to handle a vast vocabulary and even new words. With all the components prepped, it's time to cook the understanding. The chef adds the prepared ingredients, the tokens, to the pan, combining them artfully. The AI blends these tokens, recognizing patterns and context to form a complete understanding of your desired spicy mushroom pasta without dairy. And finally, the result. The AI has successfully processed your request and is ready to generate the perfect, desired response. Remember, the token is the smallest piece of your sentence AI uses to understand and generate responses. Just like cooking, the better the initial breakdown and preparation, the better the final result.